Hi, I'm Dr. James Crowder. I'm the Dean of the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, or STEM Institute. If you're interested in learning how things work, or fixing them, or the natural, mechanical, or mathematical principles behind doing so, we've got you covered. We have career programs in fields like automotive technology, engineering and electronics technology, computer science, data science, and networking and cybersecurity. Our graduates find jobs, and good ones. If you're interested in getting a degree in biology, chemistry, environmental science, engineering, mathematics, or physics, our courses transfer readily and easily to four-year colleges and universities, including the Ivy Leagues. We offer free tutoring in lab sciences like biology, anatomy, and chemistry, as well as in mathematics and computer science. We also offer grant-funded scholarships in partnerships with entities like the National Science Foundation and NASA. If any of this sounds appealing or interesting, come find us. Reach out to me directly if you like. My contact information is published on the Brookdale website. Thanks for your time.
To get to know some of our other academic institutes and services, be sure to check out our other videos. We look forward to seeing you at our open house, where you can speak to our faculty, deans, and other department representatives. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you around campus.